Well, welcome back to another Cormac on Cars YouTube video. Now this is a bit of a spontaneous one because this is a last moment purchase. You join me on a lovely sunny summer's evening with this. This is my latest purchase. It's my 2002 MGTF. This one's the 1.8 135, so it's 165 newton meters of torque and 122 foot-pounds. Rear wheel drive, 5-speed manual gearbox. Now this has got the K series engine in it that they're all known for. They did do the 1.6s, but this is the bigger engine, so it takes it from 0 to 60 in 8.2 seconds. They are known for blowing the head gasket. Luckily this one's had it done. It's only covered 62,000 miles from you, and you know I have a penchant for buying blue cars. This is certainly another one because they are my favourite. It's my favourite colour. The reason I've gone for an MGTF though is I've not really had sports cars before. I've had luxury performance cars, Bentleys, Rolls Royces, all that kind of stuff. So I didn't want an MX5 because they're too common. BMW Z4 is a good car. The S2000 is a bit too much, but I like that. That would be my favourite choice. The Porsche Boxster is just bloody awful and driven by people who eat Worthy's originals. And my father had one of these, so I thought, let's try an MGTF. So that's what I've gone for. And granted, I'd like to call it a cute car, and I really do think it is. So if we have a look around, it is a bit dusty. It's been sat in a storage container, which is good, so it's not been exposed to the elements. It's currently a bit of a project car. It does run, but it just needs a new starter motor and a new battery. I particularly like the interior. It's a little bit dusty, so please bear with me on this one. But yeah, pretty much immaculate apart from this lovely blue colour. The odd little bit of paint stuff down here. This can all be polished out. But if we come around this way, it's quintessentially British. Now MG stood for Morris Garages, and yeah, so this is my latest summer sports car. I'll get the roof down. I've always found convertibles, found it hard to drive a convertible because I'm a bloke, you know, but cars like the Mercedes SLK, if you had the roof down and men saw you driving it, they would wink at you, and it was a bit of a other way inclined car. So yes, this is the new car here. We've got big plans coming up for the channel this year, and we're going to see if we can get this running for the summer as well. So do make sure you stay tuned, and yeah, welcome to my new purchase, my 2002 MGTF, my new toy. Before we go, make sure you subscribe to the Cormac on Cars YouTube channel for more updates to come with my new MG. Yes, my new convertible car. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you all soon for another video. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.